In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate System.io with Calendly. We are going to connect your Calendly booking link to a page inside System.io so visitors can access your scheduling option directly from your funnel. This is a simple setup, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few moments. First, sign into your Calendly account. After you are inside your dashboard, find the specific event type that you want to share. This is important because Calendly can contain multiple event options, so you want to make sure you are choosing the exact one you plan to place on your System.io page. Once you have located that event, click Share. Calendly will give you a shareable link for that event type. Copy that link because you will need it in the next part of the process. Next, open System.io and sign into your account there as well. From your dashboard, go to Funnels. Inside the Funnels section, choose the funnel where you want this Calendly integration to appear. Then select the exact page step you want to edit. This could be a booking page, a lead capture page, or any step in your funnel where it makes sense for visitors to schedule time with you. After that, click the Edit Page icon, which is the magic wand symbol. This will open the page builder where you can customize the layout and add new elements to the page. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can see all of your editing options clearly. Once you are in the builder, look to the left-hand Elements panel. This is where System.io keeps the different content blocks you can add to your page. Find the calendar block, then drag it onto your page canvas and place it where you want the scheduling section to appear. Try to position it in a spot that feels natural within the flow of the page, so it is easy for visitors to notice and use. At this point, you have the calendar block added to your page, which is the key part of placing your Calendly scheduling option into your funnel. Make sure the placement looks clean and fits well with the rest of your design before moving on to any additional page edits. That covers everything you need to know.